YouTube, happy Sunday to you. We got some new product here for football. We got some, got two, went to the card show today, got 2 hobby boxes and 2 retail boxes of Panini Donruss Optic, but basketball this year. But I think I'm going to only open, I'm probably going to break 1 hobby and 1 retail. I'm going to keep the others closed and sit on them for a little bit. So, just want to let you guys know that. All right, let's and then we'll do like a few, maybe a blaster or 2 from the retail. I still got plenty of that, so still trying to get that Zion. But let's get into the plates and patches. Seems like a really cool product. I've never gotten a plate, so now I'm gonna get one. I've never gotten a printing plate 101, so pretty cool, something different. 1 pack per box, so there's 5 cards per pack. Find 1 autograph, 1 memorabilia card, and 1 printing plate on box per average. So hopefully we don't get panini'd. We get points. And it'd be nice. We'll see who we get. Hopefully we get some good players. The product seems pretty cool. Okay, so it's kind of a little tough to open, so we'll get a little assistance. Oh man, the plate is right on the bottom. That's cool. I really just don't want to see who the plate is right away, but got a rookie, Jarrett Stidham. I will take that. 35 of 60. Nice, he could be the future of the Patriots depending on what happens with Mr. Brady. So, Legends. Brian Urlacher to 10. Short print. Nice. And it looks like this is our first auto, I'm assuming. Oh no, patch, triple patch, double color, patch trio. Darius Slayton, Giants, I believe he's a rookie. Plates and patches. That is really cool. And then, I'm not sure who this is. We'll see in just a second. Ooh, that's a chunky patch. Oh, now I know who it is. Okay. Patch auto of rookie patch auto of Deontay Johnson, numbered to 50. That's a nice patch. My buddy's a huge Steelers fan. He would like that. It's a sticker auto, and our plate is Darrell Henderson, rookie. Rookie plate. And that's for the Rams. That's different. What's with the ink? Los Angeles Rams. You have received an authentic printing plate from 2019 Panini Gold Standard Football. Oh, Gold Standard. Rookie jersey, autographs triple. Cayenne plate, 1 of 1. Panini. Different. Thought that would be nicer and sturdier. It's not really a big deal. Huh. All right. On to the next box. Oh, I forgot I need some different size top loaders too. All right. Let's see how we do in the next box. Plates and patches, plates and patches. Will this one open any easier? I guess not. Oh, don't want to show you who it is. You know what we could do? Where's my little thing that I kept? Did I get rid of it? I had a spacer over here. Son of a bitch. Biscuit. Whatever. God damn it. I had a spacer. No, it's gone. Anyway. We'll use the plate to hide. So we got Mark Brunell, 16/99. It's kind of like a low end. It's like a low end immaculate or flawless. Minka Fitzpatrick, 21/25. Pittsburgh Steelers. J.J. Arcega-Whiteside. Oh, that's cool. Philly patch. With all the different... Oh, it would have been nice to get a N'Keal Harry. But he's a rookie too, so that's good. 66/89. 89 is kind of a weird number. So, patch trio. I think this is the... Oh, no, second last card because then we got our plate. Kittle. Tight end. So, San Francisco 49ers, George Kittle. Not exactly my favorite, but some people would like that. That's cool. And then our plate is... Someone from the Saints, I think? Or no, is that Phoenix football? New Orleans Saints, I was right. Michael Thomas, you received an authentic plate from Panini Rookies and Stars football. It's a magenta plate, 1/1. Rookies and Stars. I hate Rookies and Stars. I'm not a fan of that product, but whatever. I don't know, I think the plates kind of suck. They're 1/1s, but they're kind of shitty. This one has like ink all over it. The picture's all weird on this one. I don't know. I guess some people like them. That's it, guys. Hey, give a thumbs up, like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. And a lot more content to come. Hope you guys have a great Sunday and long weekend here for President's Day. Give a thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Appreciate the support. Have a good one.